how to cancel booking.com hotel reservation. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can cancel your booking.com hotel reservation. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the booking.com app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Over here on the home page, click on bookings, which is the third icon at the bottom that looks like a suitcase. After that, you will see all your bookings, including hotels and flights. Then find the hotel reservation you want to cancel. To the right of the booking, you will see three dots. Click on those dots and you will be given two options: view booking or cancel booking. After that, select cancel booking and it will show you the details of the booking. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on manage your booking. Then you can proceed to cancel your booking. Keep in mind that cancellation policies vary depending on your booking. If your booking has free cancellation, you can cancel without any charges. If not, you may need to pay a fee. So that's how you can cancel your booking.com hotel reservation. That's all for this video.